What's up guys, I welcome you back to this channel. My name is Ayan and we are in episode 14. I have a new method and the quickest on how you hide and unhide the navigation bar and the navigation view cube in Autocad. Let's jump into it. In our last episode, we discussed the same topic and let's have a new continuation about it. Currently, we are in Autocad and you don't see both of the tools displayed up, meaning that they are hidden. So, to unhide them, go to View and you have this. Then click Navigation View Cube. It will appear, that is View Cube, then Navigation Bar there. So to take them back, like in the previous episode, we saw that you type nav, then you go to nav cube, then you go to settings and switch where you need. Right now I will take it to my right and I need it at the bottom. Say okay, that is it. So if you need it at the top left, continue to place it where you need it. Thank you for watching this episode and please consider liking, subscribing and sharing this content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.